Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best window seal is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for anyone looking to maximize the efficiency and comfort of their portable air conditioning unit, especially during those sweltering summer months when keeping your cool is paramount. This simple yet ingenious device creates a barrier, preventing warm air from re-entering your room and cool air from escaping, thereby significantly reducing the workload on your AC and leading to a more consistently comfortable environment, all while potentially lowering your energy bills. Number 5. HOOMEE 300 cm Window Seal for Portable Air Conditioner. Tired of warm air seeping back in? Our window seal is designed to create a tight barrier around your open window. It helps to keep the cool air inside where it belongs. Installation is a breeze. Simply attach the included adhesive tape to your window frame and the window itself. Then, zip it around your air conditioner hose for optimized cooling. This accessory is perfect for your portable air conditioning unit. It effectively seals the gap between the window frame and the window, ensuring your AC works at its best. Crafted from high-quality polyester, this seal is built to last. It provides a reliable and durable solution for maintaining your desired room temperature. With a generous length of 300 centimeters, 118 inches, it offers ample coverage for most standard windows. Enjoy efficient cooling without the hassle. No need to search for extra parts. Everything you need for a quick and easy setup is included in the package. Just open the zip, fit the hose, and enjoy the cool air. What we like. This option is perfect for those who want a hassle-free setup. It optimizes your AC's efficiency by sealing the gap around your hose. If you're looking for a quick and effective solution to improve your portable air conditioner's performance, this is the one for you. What people say. It has been holding up wonderfully so far. The zipper stays taut around the hose exiting to the outside, and it is doing great at keeping the hot air outside instead of inside. After turning on the AC, there is very little heat being leaked back into the room, which is perfect. In addition to cooling our office, we also have a rather unpleasant odor from a nearby business which stopped us opening our windows in the past as the smell was rather unpleasant. I was delighted to discover that once we installed the HOOMEE window seal, not only did it help the efficiency of our air conditioner and make our room much cooler, we also found that the seal has stopped the outside smell coming into our room. Number 4. Yotache Open Cell Foam Air Conditioner Insulation Seal Strip. Introducing our premium open cell foam strip, crafted from NBR plus PVC foam. It's soft, non-toxic, and offers superior weather resistance with excellent flame retardant properties. Easily install this foam by placing it on your unit and window to compress. It provides all-season protection, sealing in conditioned air and keeping out drafts and dust. This flexible strip is easy to customize and cut to your desired size with scissors or a blade. It bends easily to conform to any shape needed for a perfect fit. Experience excellent resistance to compression and deformation thanks to its strong elasticity. It quickly returns to its original shape, offering great cushioning and shock protection. Enjoy a quieter environment as this foam effectively reduces noise and vibration from the outside. It helps maintain a comfortable and peaceful atmosphere in your space. Please note that this foam strip is designed to be non-adhesive. It relies on compression for a secure and effective seal, ensuring easy application and removal. We are confident you'll love the quality and convenience of our weather stripping. If you encounter any issues, we're here to provide a timely response and solution. What we like. This is a great choice if you prefer a non-adhesive solution that offers robust protection. Its high resilience ensures a snug fit and long-lasting performance. If you need a flexible and durable seal for all seasons, especially if you're concerned about leaving residue, consider this foam strip. What people say. Easy to install and adjust, fits well on different window sizes. Effectively seals the gap around the window unit, preventing hot air from entering and cold air from escaping. Durable material that holds up well over time, even with frequent use. Number 3. LBG Products Window Air Conditioner Foam Insulation Panels. These side insulating panels are designed to replace or cover your existing window AC unit panel. They are compatible with most window units, ranging from 5000 to 22,000 BTU. They act as a window seal, effectively blocking out dust, pollen, insects, heat, and drafts. The foam material also helps to reduce noise and vibrations, ensuring a comfortable living space. By insulating the gap between your AC unit and the window frame, they prevent cold air from entering in winter and hot air in summer. This leads to reduced heating and cooling expenses. Made from durable, anti-vibration, and noise-absorbing foam, these panels feature self-stick side channels with strong adhesive that leaves no residue. Each package contains one pair of self-stick side channels and 2 foam panels. The panels measure 17 inches high, 9 inches wide, and 7-8 inches deep. What we like. This product is ideal for users with various window AC units, offering a universal design. It helps save energy by insulating gaps and also reduces noise and vibrations for a more comfortable environment. If you're looking to improve both comfort and energy efficiency in your home, this insulating panel kit is a strong contender. What people say. The seal is easy to install and creates a good seal around the window. It effectively blocks hot air from entering the room, keeping it cooler. The material is durable and seems like it will last a long time. Number 2. AC Unit Window Seal Kit. Tired of hot air leaking back into your room? Our window seal kit is designed to create a tight seal around your portable air conditioner. With a simple zip and adhesive fastener system, installation is a breeze. Enjoy cooler temperatures without the hassle. This solution is ideal for sealing tilted windows. It provides a reliable barrier against outside air, ensuring your AC works efficiently. Featuring a maximum length of 158 inches, it offers ample coverage for most window sizes. You get the perfect fit every time. Stop wasting energy and start enjoying consistent, cool air. This is the best way to seal your portable AC for optimal performance. What we like. This is the best option if you have a larger or uniquely shaped window, especially a tilted one. It offers the maximum length and a secure seal with both zip and adhesive fasteners. If you've struggled to find a seal that fits your specific window dimensions, this product provides the extended coverage you need. What people say. The ease of installing it is ridiculous. After installation, I ran my air conditioner exhaust hose to the outside through the zipper hole. My air conditioner works beautifully and the window seal is working beautifully. This thing is a lifesaver. It's made of a tent-like material, so I'm pretty sure it's waterproof. I googled how to install it and it was so simple. So far, no leaks at all. The room is so much cooler than it was. I'm also happy that the zippers stay in place really well around the hose so there is minimal air leakage. Number 1. HOOMEE Airlock Window Seal. Introducing the HOOMEE Airlock, your solution for efficient portable air conditioning. This innovative seal is designed to keep your space cool and comfortable. Tired of hot air seeping in? This accessory effectively blocks external heat, ensuring that the cool air generated by your unit stays inside where you want it. Designed for convenience, it fits most portable air conditioner models. Enjoy optimal performance without compatibility worries. Its flexible design makes it particularly well suited for sliding windows. Installation is straightforward, providing a snug fit. With a maximum size of 14 by 36 inches, it offers a flexible fit for various window dimensions. Achieve a secure seal for maximum efficiency. What we like. This is a fantastic choice for those with sliding windows. It's designed to effectively block hot air from entering and keep cool air inside. If you have a sliding window and need a seal that's easy to adapt to its specific dimensions, this flexible option is highly recommended. What people say. It's almost impossible to find an AC with long enough panels to affix it to a slider, so this is an excellent option. Very easy to install though. It's nice having the opening at the bottom for the tube, and I highly recommend putting the tube as close to the bottom zipper as possible because the weight of the tube keeps it flush with the fabric on the bottom. With the Velcro it's super easy to take down when it gets cold and rainy. The Velcro strios have a really good glue and has stayed up the whole year without being in the way or peeling away. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.